What's up, Mechanicsville crew? Big Med here in the lodge. I'm gonna do a quick video of my throwdown bag, my to-go bag. I think Commish did one a couple weeks ago of the stuff that he takes when he's out working on the barn finds. And my stuff is just a little bit different, probably not as many snap-on tools or corn whales or anything like that. So here's what I take. And the first thing we want to talk about is the bag, what you're going to carry all your stuff in. So I got this bag right here. As you can see, it's zippered. It's got pockets on the inside. It's got a hard plastic bottom. Pouches on the outside, on both sides. So that's a real quick throwdown bag. If you're going to be quick and easy, fast, whatever. If you're working on a Ford, however, you're going to need something bigger to pack all your tools. This one has wheels on it, and it's got your pouches, as you can see. It's got a few places inside, a few pouches inside, not as many as the other, but it sure does hold a lot. Like I said, if you're working on a Ford, you're probably gonna need all your tools. So, having said that, let's move into what we're gonna take. So, in my big to-go bag, you can fit this whole socket set. And that's what I usually take. I don't like to have almost the right tool. I like to have the right tool. So I take all my sockets. And I take a few extensions. I got a breaker bar, 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4 inch. This 3/8 right here has a swivel head. I like those pretty good. They're better than a mustard biscuit or French fried potatoes, but that's just me. But anyhow, that's what I take. I'll take you some wrenches right here, just your basic, whatever you think you might need. I usually just take 9/16 down to 3/8, but I've got 5/8 and 13/16 out here. So just a few wrenches, whatever you think you might need, the basics. Flat screwdriver, Phillips, long and short reach, ball peen hammer for any neighbors, or if you just need to absolutely destroy something. Some type of cutting instrument, in case you need to cut somebody, or spread jelly on a biscuit. Tire gauge, some tape, electrical tape, something to write with so you can write down what you need whenever you're en route to O'Reilly's Auto Parts, because you're going to forget by the time you get there. Some channel locks, needle nose pliers, and some kind of light, rechargeable. These are the basics of what I take in my throwdown bag. Just the basics. Hopefully, everything you need is going to be there. Now, I do have some specialty items over here. If I know that I'm going to be working on something a little extra, then I'll take some of this stuff. Timing light. If you're going to set some timing, you're going to need a light. And if you're going to set some timing with a timing light, you're going to need a distributor wrench. So I'll take my distributor wrenches. More than likely, you're probably going to need to adjust on the carburetor. So I'll take a vacuum gauge. And if you need to check some fuses, electrical circuits, or whatnot, I'll take a test light. And then your Allen heads right here in case you run across something really, really wackadoo crazy. So again, these are the kind of what I would call the specialty tools that I don't always take, but might if I need to. And then over here, this is the basic go-to everyday throwdown bag stuff. So there you have it, boys and girls. That's my go-to stuff. The big bag and a little bag, again, whatever it is you're working on, you're probably gonna need the basics at a bare minimum. That's why they call them basics, I think, maybe. I don't know. Anywho, Big Med here at the Medicine Lodge. Like, subscribe, and click on the that button, that bell button, whatever, so you can get notifications. You know where to find us. Tune in next time. Same bad channel, same bad time. Or you could wake up with your house on fire.